Good morning, students. This is Bhanu Prasad, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering in MGR College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we will discuss about what is thermal metal removal process one. So, first of all, we can see it is one of the third unit. In your previous class, we will discuss about two units one. So, define ECM1 and what are the applications, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, and what are the MRR processing ECM1. So, and we have some basic problems also. The basic problems we will discuss about in our future classes. So that may be offline classes. So present we will discuss about third unit one. We will start for. So it is a thermal metal removal process. So by using the thermal removal process one, to remove the metal from the workpiece is known as the thermal removal process one. So we have it is one of the unconventional machining processes. So we have the different types of energies. So based on these different types of energies are we are using and we are remove the metal from the workpiece is known as the unconventional machining process. In this one we can call as the thermal metal removal process one. So here their basic source is power one. So thermal means we have some power, so some electricity we can use it. So and remove the metal from the workpiece. So it is called as the thermal metal removal process one. In our previous lecture, we will discuss about two different topics. One, the first one is the mechanical one. So mechanical based energy one. So a mechanical based energy is nothing but ultrasonic machining process. That one. That is the first unit one. So second topic one. Second different topic one. So next second unit one we have the electrochemical machining process one. In electrochemical machining process one we can observe ECM1 and ECG and ECH. So electrochemical grinding, electrochemical honing. So next one is deburning. The burning. Next one is ECM1. So this kind of topics is we will discuss forward. We will discuss for ECM1, electrochemical energy one. So electrochemical energy, by using this electrochemical energy and remove the metal from the workpiece one. So that is our second issue. That is the electrochemical. Electrical we are using some chemicals we are using and we have removed the metal from the workpiece one. That is the overall second unit one. But here third unit is nothing but thermal metal removal process. So we will discuss for basics one. So electric discharge machining one. In 90s, English scientists recently first detected the erosive effect of electrical discharge on metal one. So first of all, in 90s, the scientists recently first detected the erosive effect of electrical discharge on metal one. So the EDM process can be compared with the conventional cutting process. So here the EDM process we have electric discharge machining process we have that can be compared with the conventional machining process one. So EDM process we are comparing for conventional also. We have the unconventional, conventional one. So in this case, a suitably shaped tool electrode with a precision controlled feed movement is employed in the place of the cutting tool. In this case, suitably shaped tool electrode. So machine should, we have the electrode here. So the suitable electrode also we are using here. With a precision controlled feed movement is employed in the place of the cutting tool. Precise control field movement we can see on the tool one and simultaneously it is placed on the cutting tool one. So it is the major one here. Next one is and the cutting energy is provided by means of short duration electrical impulse one. The cutting energy also it is provided by means of short duration in electrical impulse one. So that is the introduction about the electrical discharge machining one, EDM one. So next one. So first of all, see what is the thermal process one. So in this one, we are discussing about thermal energy, thermal energy process one. So thermal energy process means you see here thermal metal removal process one, thermal energy basically. So what is thermal process one? Thermal energy usually applied to the small portion of workpiece one, causing the portion to be removed by fusion and evaporation one. So in thermal energy, we are applied a small portion one. So machine should we want to remove the metal from the any workpiece one. So the thermal energy is we are applied the removal portion one. So automatically what happen? So thermal workpiece surfaces are causing the portion to be removed. The portion to be removed by fusion and vaporization one. So by the fusion or vaporization onwards, the workpiece is here we are removing in thermal process one. So next one is what is the thermal energy process one. So thermal energy process is very high local temperature we can use. Material is removed by fusion or vaporization one. So fusion or vaporization is nothing but so fusion or fusion we have some spark. So based on the spark one, we are removing the metal from the workpiece. So my machine should. So we are using here power here. So a DC power directly we are using here. So cathode anode we have. So anode is nothing but always workpiece one. Cathode is always tool one. So based on this cathode anode onwards. So the tool, the cathode one. So it produced the one spark one. Based on the spark one, the metal will be removed that one. So that is called as the thermal energy process one. So here, what is the thermal energy process means here? Very high local temperature we can use it here. Material is removed by fusion or vaporization one. So physical and metallurgical damages to the new work surfaces one. Physical and metallurgical damages also we can see here. So in some cases, resulting finishing is so poor, so that processing is required one. So in this one, the good surface we can get pure surface finishing here. So in our previous energies based on working process one, we are getting the good surface finishing here, but it is a thermal metal removal process one. So that's why here, so pure surface finishing we can observe here. So subsequently, processing is required one here. So next one is it is the thermal energy process summa. So thermal energy is not usually applied for any kind of portion one. So machine should, so that is removed by fusion or vaporizing one. So by using fusion or vaporizing one, so we can remove the metal from the workpiece summa. So that is the definition, that is the process one. Next one is we can see here general accepts of EDM. So general accepts. What are the general accepts of EDM? Electrode discharge machining. So it is a thermal basics, but comes to our topic one, we will discuss about EDM one. So what is EDM one? So next one is what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what are the applications, what are the working, what is the principle of EDM one, electrical discharge machining process. So EDM is a machining method. So it is one of the machining method primarily used for hard materials. So it is basically used for hard materials and brittle metals used here. So and remove the metal from the workpiece one. So or we can call as, so would be very difficult to machine with the traditional techniques one. So in traditional machining process, the difficult materials one we are machined here. So traditional we have traditional or conventional machining process we have. In conventional or traditional machining process one, some of the difficult parts we cannot manufacture in that one, particularly that process one. That kind of parts we are manufactured in this process one. So some of the difficult process means a very hard material and brittleness material. So we cannot machine it in conventional machining process. Why? Because so some of the drawbacks you can see on the metal surfaces one. Some of the disadvantages, some of the disadvantages means nothing but here cracks. So cracks we can see on particular materials. Some of the damages also we can see on traditional machining process. So that's why, so we can use it here EDM one. So EDM one we cannot see the some of the drawbacks in the material one. So for sufficiently perfectly we can get the output one. So good surface finishing also we can get in this process one. So good accuracy, good tool and dimensions, so exactly we can get in here. So that's why we can use it here. So EDM one process one. So EDM work with material that are electrically conductive one. So here EDM is typically it is worked with materials that are electrically conductive one. So all through methods for machining is insulating ceramics with EDM one as the proposed one. So some of the ceramics also we are used here in this one. That is also one of the proposal here newly. So EDM one can cut interactive counter or activities in hardened steel one without the need for heat treatment. So soften and re-hardening them. So here EDM one so can cut the interactive and counters. So it can be cut by using the interactive process or counter one. So or we can call as cavities in hardened steel without the need of the heat treatment to soften and re-harden them. So some example one, any hardened steel one, we can get the some of the hardened metal. So the hardness. So we have the some of the weak hardest material and brittleness material is so we can see so the toughness so and strength will be very low only. So after then what we are doing, we can go for heat treatment process. Heat treatment process onwards, we are improving hardness and toughness there. So mostly brittleness materials one, we have brittleness nature is more one here. But in this process one, so reheating process is not useful here. Reheating process is not required in this process one. Directly we can use it here, EDM process. Brittleness material, hardened material, directly we can use it here and remove the metal from here. So why? Because there is no need of the reheating process here. So this method can be used within any other metal or metal alloys such as titanium, haste alloys, cover and incoval one. So here in this method EDM process one, so we can use it for any kind of material here. So especially or we can call as alloys such metal alloys also we can use it such as titanium, haste alloys, cover and incoval materials also we can use it in EDM one. So also applications of this process to shape polycrystalline diamond tools have been reported. So applications of the in this process one, shape polycrystalline diamond tools. So diamond tools you can use it here have been reported here. So these are the general aspects of EDM one. So next one we can see here. What is the general principle of EDM process one? So electric discharge machining one is a controlled metal removal process one that is used to remove the metal by means of electric spark erasing one. So how can we remove the metal from the workpiece means by producing of the spark one. So here cathode anode we have two one. Once again I am repeating here. What is the EDM means? How we are remove the metal from the workpiece means we have two one. One is one we have cathode anode. So direct we here the source of energy is power one. So DC power supply we are using here. So cathode anode we have the two connection one. So anode is we are connecting to the workpiece one. Cathode is we are connecting to the tool one. So by tool it produces some spark on the anode one. So the tool is some produced on the workpiece on the some spark. Automatically the spark based on the metal will be removed here. So that one we can call as the EDM one. So in this process, electric spark is used as cutting tool to cut anode one. So here the spark is nothing but here cutting tool. The spark will be produced. The the tool cutting tool will produce one of the spark one. So based on the spark one, we are remove the metal from the workpiece one. That is here to cut the workpiece to produce it by finished part to the desired shape. So to cut the metal and finally we can get the desired shape of the metal. So this one we can call as the EDM one, electrical discharge machining process. Here in electrical discharge machining process, the tool will be produced spark one. Based on the spark one, we can remove the metal from the workpiece one. Finally, we can get the desired shape of the parts one. So it is called as EDM one. Next one is we can see here. It is also known as spark machining or spark erodizing process one. Why? Because spark machining, why we can call as the based on the spark onwards, we are removing the metal from the workpiece one. So that's why we can call as it is a spark machining process also, or we can call as EDM one. Next one we can call as spark eroding process also. So in this process, see here in this process, electrical energy is used to generate the spark. So here electrical energy. So electrical energy or it is used to generate the spark between the tool and the workpiece one submerged under the dielectric medium. So that the material is removed take place from the surfaces of the workpiece by the local melting or vaporizing work. So it is the one of the process somewhere. So here the spark is here the tool will be producing the spark between the workpiece and the tool one. So the spark will be producing here between the tool and the workpiece one. So under the dielectric medium one, so that the metal is removed takes place by the surface of the workpiece by local melting or vaporization. So it is one of the principle of the EDM one. So next one we can see So here in principle, in basic principle one, so some of the parts we are using in EDM one. So what are the parts? Means the first one is electrolyte used. The electrolyte fluid we are used in EDM one. So EDM one. So here electrolyte is used one. Electrolytic fluid. So electrolyte fluid is nothing but in our previous classes one. So the fluid is nothing but water, that one. So here the fluid is kerosene here. So the dielectric fluid in the normal form act as the insulator, whereas proper voltage or increase in voltage makes the dielectric fluid to be ionized one. So that's why we can call as the here increase the voltage makes the dielectric fluid to the ionized one. Why we can use this fluid means between the removal the to remove the friction between the tool and the workpiece one, the smooth cutting purpose you can use this kind of fluids in this process one. So optimum gap. So the optimum gap between the tool and the workpiece is 0.03 mm. The voltage is some 70 watts. So here gap is maintaining here to get the removal process one. In removal process one, machine should be maintaining gap between the tool and the workpiece one. The tool and the workpiece one, the gap is nothing but here 0.03 mm. So after that only between this gap one, the spark will be producing here only. So after that only we are remove the metal from the workpiece. So next one is we'll see here what is the properties of the dielectric one. So low viscosity we can see here. It remain electrically non-conductive up to the desired voltage breakdown takes place one. So next one is it can act as a good cooling medium one. So good cooling medium also we can use here. It can be carry away all the material particles producing during the spark corrosion one. So it is one of the properties one. So it carry away from the metal practice producing the spark one. That is benefit one. So next one is we can see properties of the dielectric one. This one. So next one is tool one. So tool is measured here. The tool is used in the dielectric machining process one is either copper or tungsten or copper tungsten alloys one. So the tool is made by this kind of material one. So here the tool may be copper or tungsten or copper tungsten alloys one. By using this metal to make the tool here, to use the tool here, the tool is essential this kind of three metals only you can manufacture. So next one is we can see here properties processed by the tool work. What are the properties it is processed by the tool here? It must process a high one. So highly it will be processed here. Melting point one. So melting purpose you can use in this tool one. Electrical conductivity. So electric conductivity also we can see in this tool one. So these are the properties processed by the tool one here. So next one is MRR, very important one, metal removal rate. So each and every procedure in this unconventional machining process one, MRR is main one here. So out of all the non-traditional machining methods, the electric discharge machining will remove the more materials in this sense one. So the MRR is the higher for the EDM. So see here, there's a difference for the other machining operations and EDM operations. EDM operations is one of the mostly removing metal removing method. This one, more metals we are removing here, and simultaneously MRR is a high for EDM one. So high material removal rate we can get in EDM process one. So next one is we can see here. So it is MRR one. Thermal energy process one classification summa. So see here, one of the classifications means nothing but here. So in thermal energy process one. So these are the classifications here. Electric discharge machining process. So today class we are discussing here. Next one is electron beam machining process one. Next class we will discussing about laser beam machining process one, plasma one, ion beam machining process one. So these are the classifications of the thermal energy process one. So next one is electrical discharge machining process one. So here, so sorry, this is one of the introduction one, but we are discussing here. So electric discharge machining one, see here, it requires electrically conductivity material one, workpiece anode and the tool is a cathode one. So independent of the metal hardness one. So it is in a workpiece act as the anode one, tool act as the cathode in this process one. So it is the independent of the metal hardness one. So removal of the material is through the melting or vaporization is caused by a high frequency of spark discharging one. So how can we remove the metal means by producing the spark one. So by producing the spark, we are removing the metal through the melting or melting or we remove the material one or vaporization caused by a high frequency of spark discharge one. So based on this method, we are remove the metal from the workpiece one. EDM emission surfaces may be de-altered or fictive properties due to the recast layer one. So EDM surfaces on, so we are not get the good surface finishing here. We can get the poor surface finishing here. So good selection of the proper electrode material for the workpiece produce the deep holes, slots, cavities in the hardened metal without drifting or cannot can do irregular counter one. So good selection of the proper electrode material. So we can select the good proper electrode material one. So what are the benefits we can see means so for the workpiece one, produce deep holes we can get here, slots, cavities in hardened metal without drifting or can do irregular counter one. So it is one of the EDM one process. Next one is see here. It is a block diagram of the EDM one, electric discharge machining process. So it is very important one. See here. So electric discharge machining process one. So it is a graphical diagram. So it is a tool one. So here it is a tool. It is a workpiece one. It is a workpiece. It is a tool one here. Tool is always act as anode here. This cathode and anode here. So it is filter from one. The dielectric. It is a dielectric fluid. Dielectric fluid is nothing but here kerosene one. So it is passing one. This is spark. So we have the tool and the workpiece. We have the gap one. Gap is nothing but 0.03 mm one here. So 0.03 mm. This gap only the spark will be producing here. So see here spark. By using the spark, we are remove the metal from the workpiece here. So it is a fluid amount, a dielectric fluid one. So it is filter from one. So the fluid filtering one here is a tool holder. It is complete tool holder device as one. And giving the power to the tool holder. So this power is we are getting here DC power supply. These connections we are due to here. So see here. So here the workpiece also we are using the power one. So that is a negative terminal here. This is a positive terminal here. So it is a DC power supply. Is a feature. It is one of the graphical diagram of the EDM. So EDM here basic source is power. DC power supply we are using here. So one connection, positive terminal connection we are given to the tool holder one, tool one. So negative charged one we are given to the workpiece one. So see here it is workpiece one. So tool holder devices this is completely. So see here these two holders. These two are tool holders. It is workpiece. In workpiece and tool holder, we have the gap. The gap is nothing but 0.03 mm. So between this gap one, the spark will be producing here based on this spark one. So we are remove the metal from the workpiece one. So this is called as the EDM process one. So it is dielectric fluid. It is a dielectric fluid pump one. So it is filter one. So after then we are passing this fluid to the so between workpiece and the tool one here. So it is one of the EDM process. A very important process, very easiest process here. So majorly we are using as here. Majorly here power supply we are using here. So thermal metal removal process here. Thermal metal removal process was using the DC power supply one. So based on spark one. Based on the spark one only, we are remove the metal from the workpiece here. In your previous process one, tool directly tool will be remove the metal from the workpiece in this mechanical or electrochemical process one. But here tool directly we cannot remove the metal from the workpiece here. Based the tool it produces some spark. Based on the spark only, we are remove the metal from the workpiece here. So it is called as the dielectric. This one we can call as the electric discharge machining process. So it is one of the very important procedure, very important topic in thermal metal removal process. I think you can understand what is the difference between mechanical energy one electrochemical energy one, thermal energy one. So these are thermal energy third one. In thermal energy one, so EDM is the one of the topic one. Electric discharge machining is one of the topic one. So mechanical energy in first unit one, we have the example is ultrasonic machining one. So in electrochemical machining process is ECM one. Electrochemical machining process we have. So next one is the electrochemical grinding one, electrochemical hardening one, deep burring one. So it is the electrochemical machining process one. So see here another block diagram of the electric discharge machining here. So detailed diagram, electric discharge machining process, overall steps, closed steps of the closed diagram of the EDM one. So it is a tool feed, a tool holder, negative one here. So it is the gap one. Tool and the workpiece we have the gap. So dielectric fluid is one. Dielectric fluid is nothing but here kerosene. By using the kerosene here, we are remove the metal from the workpiece here. So by using kerosene is one of the fluid. It passes to the between the workpiece and the tool one. The smooth removal purpose you can use this kind of fluids here. So it is work one. It will over out this one. The fluid is comes from out here. This is a gap. These two one. So it is one of the closed diagram of the EDM one. So here closed means here tool and the workpiece only. The tool and the workpiece we have the gap. This one you can observe here. Dielectric fluid we can use here. So it is the dielectric fluid out one. So the tool produces some spark here. Based on the spark, we are removing the metal from the workpiece here. So it is the serum. It is the spark one. So see here this one. So based on this process, the spark will be producing here and remove the metal here. So the spark, how can the spark will remove the metal means here. Detailedly they are giving electrode wave this one. They discharge this one. This is flow of dielectric fluid this one. So it is a cavity created by discharge one. So it is a decast metal one. This is the work one. So this is a metal removed by cavity. Based on this cavity one, the metal is removed here. So see here pieces. So this is the ionized fluid one. So it is a closed diagram of the EDM one. So it is a spark. The spark will be producing here and remove the metal. It is a tool. It is a workpiece one. Based on these two ones in this gap, the spark will be producing here and remove the metal here. So how they are removed means, so see here it is the tool electrode wave. This one first of all. This one is the spark will be producing inside spark one. We have the discharge. This one we can call as discharge. So this one we can call as flow of dielectric fluid one. Dielectric fluid is passing here. So this one is this one we can see cavity created by discharge one. The discharge it produced by it created by discharge one. The discharge is produced by cavities here. So the cavity is created by discharge here. After then what happened? So metal removed by the cavity. So the discharge produced by cavity, the cavity will remove the metal from here. So these are process. These small pieces, see here. These small pieces, the cavity will be removed here. So the workpiece one. So this one we can call as EDM one, electric discharge machining process. So next one we can see EDM operation. We have one of the most widely used in non-traditional machining process. This one. The shape of the finished work surface is produced by a formed electrode tool one here. The spark across the small gap between tool and workpiece here requires what are the requirement we have in EDM means dielectric fluid which creates the path for each discharge as fluid become as ionized in the gap one. So the electric fluid is very important one. It creates the path for each discharge. So based on the discharge it produces the cavities one. So the cavities based on the metal will be removed there. So that one we can call as EDM here. So here the dielectric fluid also we are using here. So it is the operation one. Next one is what are the work materials. What are the work material in EDM means one electrically conductive work material we can use it here. Only electrically conducting work metals we can use it here. Hardened and strength of the work material are not factors in EDM one. So metal removal rate is related to melting point of the work material one. So material removal rate also it is depending on the related to the melting point of the work material. So it is a materials, work materials in EDM. So it is a block diagram of, this is a detailed block diagram of EDM one here. So see here, it is bubbles. We have the dielectric fluid one, dielectric breakdown one, melting and vaporization one. So see here, dielectric breakdown, this diagram one. So melting and vaporization one, this one. So this one is bubbles, bubble discharge count one. So melting cool one, expansion of the bubbles one, recovery of the dielectric fluid one. So it is bubble one, discharge interval one. So it is a closed diagram. It is a spark will be producing here. So in spark one, so these are the different kind of provision one here. So what are the advantages of the EDM means? The major advantages of this process, you can see any metal that are electrically conductive that can machine by EDM. Any kind of metal that it may be machine should it is a conductive metal. After that only we can use it in EDM process. Material regardless of their hardness, strength, toughness, and microstructure can be easily machined, cut by EDM process work. So any the material hardness, strength, toughness, and microstructure can be easily machined in this EDM process one. The tool, electrode, and workpiece are free from cutting forces one. So the tool, electrode, and workpiece are freely cutting process here. The edge machining and sharp corners are possible in EDM process one. The edge machining and cornering process also possible in the EDM process one. So next one we can see in this process you can get good surface finishing, accuracy, and repeatability. Hardened workpiece can also be machined since the deformation caused by it does not affect the final dimensions one. Hardened metal also we can use it here. So EDM is burr-free process one. So EDM is one of the burr-free process one. Die-hardened metal with complicated shapes can be easily finished with good surface finish and accuracy through the EDM process one. Die-hardened metals we can use it in this process one and get the good surface finishing here and accuracy in the EDM process one. So due to presence of dielectric fluid, there is a very little heating and bulk materials. In the presence of dielectric fluid one, there is a very little heating of the bulk material one. So by using this fluid one, there is a one benefit here. So reduce the friction here and simultaneously it is reduces some of the heat of the bulk materials one. So it is one of the advantages one. What are the limitations and applications? Totally we will discuss for next class one. Thank you, Amma. It is our today class one.